Hello and everyone, my name is Krishna. This is the tutorial number 20. In this tutorial I would like to show you how to use translate sketch command in transformation menu. So this is our part of previous tutorial part of a sketch. So now I will show here this translate sketch. So you just go to insert and go to operation, go to transformation. Now I have done this mirrored and symmetric earlier. Now in this video I will discuss about this translate. So translate, what is the translate? Translate is nothing else. You can say the copy and paste by, or else you can say the cut. Cut also you can say, or copy or paste also you can say. Both types it is called translate. So just select this, or else you can go to operation, and if it is not available here, then you can click here. It will come operation menu, then go to there, and now there is option translate. So click this translate. So now you can see the instant one number of copy I want to move. So I have given one. Now here it is duplicate. If you click this duplicate mode, so it will give only one type, and the previous original part will be deleted. Click OK. No, sorry, so click duplicate. Now suppose I want to select this one. I selected. Now you can choose the point where you want to translate. See, so this is called translate. So I'll give you another example. So now just choose this translate, and I'll give a one and duplicate. Now choose this one, this circle. Now I'm going to choose this center of arc, center of circle from this point. This is the base point, you can say. Click this. Now you can move and you can put there, or else you can give a value directly how much you want, and the coordinate value, or else either by default, by randomly, or through the mouse you can move. So if you click here, so this part will be deleted. Click here. See, this original part is deleted, and they will give the translate, or it can say this is not a copy, this is called cut. In normal cut in another software also there are many types, many commands used through this like this command. So now I'll give you one more example. Select this translate. So if you click the duplicate, so it will give the copy of to another part. So just see, I'll select this. This is the base point. Click this. Now if I'll click here, so it will give the one more circle here, and this circle will be keep as it is. Just see. Now see. So this is called duplicate. Now this is duplicate, and this is the original part. And one more thing I'll tell you. Just go to translate, and if you give the 4 number of, and if you want to delete the original part, you can unclick here, or else if you want to keep original part as well as, now you can go to select this circle, and this is the base point. Now you can move. So it will give the 4 number of type, and you can give a distance between the one code circle to another circle. Now here you also you can find, or else by default, by randomly you can choose. See, so it will give the 4 types, and original already keep, because I have chosen already original by default mode. So this is called translate tools in operation in transformation menu. Operation in transformation menu in translate. So now we'll move for another these 3 command in next video. Thank you for watching.